Hello, and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Saturday, March 5th. Tesla has officially received environmental approval to start production at Gigafactory Berlin, or so it is said. Yesterday, we shared a German newspaper report that Tesla already secured the approval and that a press conference with more details would come on Friday. They also warned that it might not allow Tesla to start production as previously believed. And now the details have been released along with a 536-page conditional building permit. Emphasis on the word conditional. There's about 400 conditions that Tesla needs to fulfill. Although Tesla stated that they plan to address them within 2 weeks, some of these conditions have additional public objection opportunities lasting up to a month. In a bit of good news, Tesla and German officials don't seem to think that it should delay the start of production. The United Kingdom has reached a new record electric car market share with 17% last month, and it's largely due to the debut of the popular Model Y. The Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders released the February 2022 numbers, and it shows yet another increase on EVs taking a large piece of the pie. The Model Y itself took 4th place in the bestseller list with 1,306 units in February. March should result in an even bigger increase since Tesla will have a full month of deliveries. The United Kingdom isn't quite to the level of EV sales of Norway quite yet, but more models will be hitting the market alongside the new right-hand drive Tesla. Japan's NHK reports that Panasonic is currently in the process of purchasing land in the United States to build a mega factory to build battery cells for Tesla. The Reuters report also states that Panasonic is zeroing in on Oklahoma or Kansas for the location of the factory. Panasonic recently confirmed plans to start production of the 4680 battery cell in March of 2024, but that's in Japan. This second factory, if the report is accurate, would mean more support for Tesla's unquenchable battery appetite. The automaker is currently using 4680 cells that they are making themselves in a pilot production plant, and that's not enough to withstand the next bottleneck. Tesla expects the chip shortage to be the choke point today, but battery cell supply to be the next obstacle. Tesla is expected to have exceptional demand once it starts production of the Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi, both of which require quite a number of battery cells per unit. Sony and Honda have signed a memorandum of understanding to jointly develop electric vehicles, with the first car becoming available commercially in the year 2025. After showing off a concept car at the CES trade show twice and making it clear they intend to become a car company, Sony later said that they would focus on partnerships instead of making batteries and cars all by their own. And now they have reached just such a partnership with Honda. Not much is known about the beginnings of this relationship as of yet, but we expect that Honda could use the leg up in the EV space. In today's community comment, Chris55Top says, quote, "Audio is out of sync." I don't know, Chris. I skimmed through it a bit and it looks okay to me on YouTube. I also went back and looked at the original edit and it looks fine to me. I'm not sure. Sometimes YouTube does have goofiness going on when the videos are brand new, but as far as I can tell, it looks okay. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.